Hey everybody, how are you? I am going to do a quick haul from the Scrapbook Expo. I did go live from home yesterday to do the haul, but my internet service stinks, so I am going to make those videos private and do a good one. So this is from the Edison, New Jersey Scrapbooking Expo. I did pick up the Sizzix catalog. If anybody needs any information on something that's in here, please reach out to me and I will help you out. Then I'm just going to get into the haul. I'm going to show you first what I picked up for Sparkling Char. If you don't know who Sparkling Char is, I'll link her channel below and you can follow her. She's awesome. But you can also watch the video of when I went live at the Scrapbook Expo and we tried to communicate through Facebook on what paper I should pick up for her. It's kind of funny. I didn't have enough hands. But anyway, okay, this is the Julie Nutting paper pad. And look at how beautiful that is. This 6x6 was only $2. $2. Love it. So I picked that up for her. Then I bought her that because she loves butterflies. Okay, then this is called the French Flea Market. Can you see all of those beautiful pages? Oh my gosh. Look at all that. Look at all that. The butterfly. She's going to love the butterfly. And every pack comes with a sticker sheet. These were $5. Then I picked her up the Vintage Girl. Look at those. Comes with the cut apart and the stickers with all of these sheets. Love it. And those are the stickers. Isn't that gorgeous? Then I picked her up Like a Girl. It's called Like a Girl. This was my favorite booth. Look at this. This one was my favorite booth. Look at all these great things. The eyelashes, the butterfly, the bicycle, the bling, shine bright. Too bad it didn't say sparkle, because that's what she does. She sparkles. Keep calm and take a selfie. Isn't that beautiful? Look at those. Look at those. Ah, oh, love that. Okay, so I got her that. And then I grabbed her this. It's called Moments in Time. Look at those. Aren't they gorgeous? And look at the cut apart and then the sticker sheet. Loving this. And that's the sticker sheet. Then this was $8. And in here you get the 6x6, a stamp, the ephemera pack, enamel dots, and then chipboard stickers. Look at that. Look at that. And then there's the cut aparts, and then another sheet of stickers. Love this. So this is all going to get put in the mail Monday to Miss Sparkling Char. I'm so looking forward to shipping this out to her. Alright, now on to my stuff. Okay, now on to my stuff. Look! Look what I found there. I am a New York Ranger girl. Tell me this was not made for me. Look at this. Look at that. And then it says, I love my Rangers. Oh my God. There's a Ranger book in my future. Okay, you know how I just went to Philly with my girlfriend Rena, my BFF, to do the Liberty Bell and Historic District. I said I wanted to do a book. I found red, white, and blue paper. I fell in love with this. And then actually the year before we went to see the Statue of Liberty together. So, and it's got the Liberty Bell. I mean, oh my God, loving this. So I grabbed that one and I grabbed this one. Isn't that cute? And then look at this one. Oh my God, the sugar skulls, the potion bottles. Look at the cut aparts. A little too late for the Halloween altered book by Jan's Crazy Life, but I might have to do one for myself now. And then I had to get this Christmas paper because of the camper. I'm loving this. Like I said, everything in Photoplay was $4 for $20 for the 12 by 12s. And then I picked up Valentine's Day. Isn't that great? Love that. Look at how cute this is. XO, XO. This is awesome. And then I picked up the same one for Shar and I. So we each got that. Then, wait, let me get the other stuff. All right, so this is the other stuff. I actually got I shopped the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo. You think I did? I know I did. The ephemera was $1.50 each package. $1.50. So I grabbed that one. How cute. Then I grabbed the 4th of July one. And I grabbed the Valentine's Day one. Then because I spent $40 in that, they gave me a free stamp. I was like, oh my gosh, thank you. So I grabbed that. And then I got myself a Christmas book for $2. Oh, love that. I love every single one of them. My goodness. Then I can't come back without Disney. This is a Carpe Diem book. And it's for a Traveler's Notebook, which I think I need a new one of for Disney. And it's just the graph paper. But I love it. I love it. I could have done this myself, the more I think about it. See, that's the problem I had walking around the expo. Anytime I saw a cut apart or something or an embellishment, I was like, I can make that. I can make that. I can make that. I have a Cricut. I can make that. So, all right, then I did buy bling. These were $1.50 each. And if you bought 5, you got the 6th one free. Look at those. Those are roses. This has 45 pieces in it. Look at those. Aren't they cool? These have 80 pieces in it. This has 240. I don't know, I was just in gem mode. I really was. These are just so beautiful. Loving those. And then these are more pink. And then I got all different colors. Aren't they gorgeous? Okay, so I got those. Then I headed on over to the Stamps of Life booth. I did get to meet Stephanie Bernard, and I will post her picture in here now. So I was honored to meet her. She's as nice in person as she is when she does her YouTube videos. But this is the penny slider to make cards so that your image will slide back and forth. So I grabbed that. Then I also did join the Stamping Up Club for that. I think it was like, I don't know, $11, $12. 3-month commitment, and it's a stamp a month. So I was like, you know what? I'll try it. I don't get to go to Tuesday morning as often as I like. So I was like, you know what? Maybe I give Tuesday morning up for 3 months and I try the Stamps of Life. These were $1. These were $5 each. It was buy one, get one free. So basically it was $2.50 a book. But I figure with fall coming, I absolutely fell in love with that one. Love it. Look at that. So it's not just fall, it's also Halloween. You could use it for both. But I loved it. Love it, love it, love it. And then this one's just a little bit more, I don't know, generic. I love the honeybee combs. Love that. Then, let me move on to my brads. Look at these brads. I have to open them. They're lollipops. Tell me those are not the cutest things. Are they not? I'm like, holy moly. Look at them. Lollipops. So I grabbed those. And then, I guess I was still in a little bit of a Halloween mode. And these are called Spooky Eyes. Spooky Eyes. Look at that. Looks like an alligator. Look at that one. Isn't that cool? And then they're little ones. Too bad I couldn't get them on a card and have them spin like that. Woo! So I grabbed those. I grabbed the flowers. I don't have to take them out because you can see them. They're chunky. Those are really cool. And then, I'll take this one out. Look at who's that? Can you see that? It's the Mickey Mouse hat. Had to get that. Had to get that. There are so many Disney scrapbook page layouts. It actually made me think that I wanted to scrapbook pages again. But I don't know. And then this here is the wobble spring. So when you make a card, you put the wobble spring in, and whatever you put on it kind of bounces up and down. So I'm going to give those a shot. And I just want to tell you guys, thank you for watching. I'm sorry my last 2 videos that I went live with had technical difficulty, but I am going to add pictures from the Scrapbook Expo at the end of this video. So please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Please follow me on Instagram at Donna, powered by creativity. I also have a Facebook page, that same name. My email address is same thing if you ever want to shoot me an email. And thank you for watching, and I will see you all real soon. Enjoy the next slides. Bye.
In all honesty, really, you're not supposed to photograph my samples.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, so please.